Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome little spork, spoon, fork thing that I have here. I was able to get these for lunches for work. I primarily eat lunch in my car, and I felt bad using disposable forks and spoons all the time, and I didn't want to take any away from my kitchen, so this was like a nice little happy medium for me because I just keep this in my car. I can wash it at work. It's really easy to wash, and I always know I have something in there to be able to eat my lunch. So it has a nice grip to it. You can use it either way, and the fork is sharp enough that you can actually pierce something, which is great. So I definitely recommend these. Maybe you might want to use it for camping, like I said, eating on the go, or even for kids, anything like that. Super, super convenient. So check them out, and that is my point of view.